Hi guys, I'm here from Zero Go Kitchen. Today I'll be making spicy diced beef with soy, ginger and garlic. Okay, so let's start with the meal prep. I'm gonna start with the steak. Today I used 250 grams of Scotch fillet. Okay, if you don't like the fat, you can get rid of it, but I do recommend putting the fat on, keeping it on. It's good for the taste. Okay, so we're just gonna dice it up. So we're gonna just flavor the meat a bit with salt and a bit of pepper beforehand. And just give it a nice rub. We're gonna leave this and set aside whilst we prepare the other ingredients. Let's clean up the station, prepare the shallots, get rid of the roots, and dice finely. Done. We're gonna make it spicy. Okay, so just thin cuts. Okay, and I got 5 garlic. Get the edge off. Edges off. We're gonna cut thinly. So from here. And what's it? We're gonna start cooking the bok choy first. Okay, we need a bit of greens to accompany the meat. Okay, we're gonna cook this first because it takes longer to cook. Then next, bit of olive oil. Meat in. Dump everything in one, just to quicken the process. The garlic in. Soy sauce, roughly 1 tablespoon. Let's go with 2, because it's a bigger amount. A teaspoon of just chopped ginger. Chili. Finally, shallots. Cut evenly. Okay. And we're done. And it's complete. This is my take on a soy ginger garlic beef. Thank you.